Karma Studios on the 17th of September and a placement for 2025 BC candidate Bonti. Stories will be and sound the placement.
The reason why I'm here is because of change of school.
I'll only be acquired not any GES officers. I'm schools.
1 at 12, and she was given a school like Ahantamai Senior School.
Now, when you are there with some friend with chat, say, please, can you change my school for me?
But this year we have expanded it to about 7 schools. It is impossible for you to be placed in the school you haven't chosen.
Me say Uncle Brina, say Uncle Brina has come on say on change placement because we want to be as a new number say check mama here no be so be change say I change your portal no so it is not possible. And the stories any videos and footages and letters from GES a placement no you didn't never some we Karma Studio. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Now if you share the comment section now say after watching the video. It is very simple. 17th September said them take a kind and a placement for 2025 BC about Bonting stories will be about an portal on name function actually portal and function and so not self placement for so no more DM function. So it took a lot of time and sana and also eba now if you check here your self placement you can choose the school that you want. Now a parent need be a GES and in office say omo from man school munya no e be say on pay
school now the man be a one emuchi the money dey in emuchi hostel no so every time be emuchi 800 cedis a term because school so you see na your compulsory so bet you see dey e school ni
now baako ese ne ban school nya ya no ono na chusu ye nemum ba bia no mote no my relocation nti en favor ne bano nti osan ko no ma change to where ba bia owo no na se de be ya ebe boa no na nani akodoba no ho
baby first one I choose ye 12 nti ama motwe nti na ma person ye
and ye number 1 and half so GES officials are omo GES headquarters so omo so say category A schools no ayema nti woko na bia obanye category B and C now cause wa akwasesa no e de aba category A any possible
assistance. Now you can't come here and do a change of school to a category A school. Those schools are filled up already.
A schools ni na ayema B no so most of the schools no so I full nti ibo a transition of a category C schools no any bia ibi onya category C school but baby a school no one any baby ne ba no e wo no emmoa no nti okọ no change from category C to category C.
So what is happening here is just movement within the category C schools. Even technically ought not to be encouraged.
Let it tintin so if GES ho abane ye bekenkan ni na abobo awofo no videos so amko GES ni na office no na ya boni na ama wonsaka. Now number 2 the vice president her excellency Jena na mensan so kopi mo na atani GES officer no so catch staff mo on say omunya butrema awofo no obia question de bayi na no they should make sure say o me answer ye ni nyina na bibia betimi akọ enkan na awofo no so obia abo ato ne yam.
I know you are doing school placement and you have all kinds of people besieging not your offices, your homes, your phones, and all of them. What can we do? Let's just try very politely to explain the situation. What we try to do is to create more A schools with the E blocks.
After so the tosubium so I mean official on so adwuma GES and not office no so say when parents come obu ho a utimu say the story no dey buy and untimi nya ne hwe untimi sista na but untimi nka je so onko enti o so console nipa no kan se me ma nipa no boato ne yam enti obu ho ko so ya je me information say be chenyi na ama me na nso me ho say I reflect reason ya wo de course yen chenyi school no tenye tangible yen sista no mawo ene obu also a wase ne ba no ochusu school no school no nya ye no safi de wase na ninje ho bi misra ye oba ne chusu ye GES okwa omo sisa mawo because from this video me say official about beka say there be una hospital school no but untimi sisa no obu also a the colleagues school nya ye no so pe the same school but the 7 schools so you see on one and 5 but sadly na adwan sisa on so esi oposo sisa no eno so de ho afi so Accra regional minister so e den say metu ja say o ya wofo na o preferred school na o ba no pe na o nsan kan for a extra teacher eman wo fie.
Break their hearts, like I said. The fact that your ward wants a preferred school and he doesn't get. All schools are schools. I mean, I don't see that. The fact is that when you don't get a preferred choice for your ward, all that you do is that you get an extra teacher for that ward. But my most priority is that to make sure that every child here gets a placement. I mean, a school to attend to. That is my priority. I will make sure that every child here will be.
So the boya embody mo apasen ka baby a oban kusu na kokobɔ no mbɔde no teacher ni obafa no wofi no no so bɛboa ma oba no so na mbɔde mo akwa ni mu eno so Accra regional minister. Aside that emofra ni bi so wonya category wonya 14 aggregate 14 obi so nya 27 but nipa no enya ne preferred school but ono no onya 14 wanya ne preferred school.
I'm disappointed and like I feel cheated because colleagues of mine had 23 but had good schools, B school, second choice. A colleague of mine had 20, she's going to Adontin. But me having 14 and being placed at a C school as a day student, it makes me feel like the computerized placement system is not a trusted one.
This school so choose na ya big and of course also very letter GES Bontini letter say the Computerized School Selection and Placement System Resolution Center, which commenced operations on Friday, September 18, 2025, is actively resolving placement-related concern for candidates nationwide. To date, over 564,000 out of 590,390 qualified candidates have been successfully placed in senior high school and technical institute. Since opening, the centers have received a lot of 1,358 cases, the majority of which to school residents to change. School residency ebi onya boarding onya day school opeso son from day no dey boarding with by the same school na obi so na no change of school 1,100 cases omo school no 1,100 cases. Approximately 76% request involve movement from category C to C school. Not just say omo school so from category C to category C school won't mean the son from category C to category A. Eba say possible because GES say category A schools ni na aye ma and also de oho na oto so say and category B schools to category A schools 14% from the strong interest of parents and guardians in category A schools. Placements is determined by raw scores, available vacancies, and competition levels. We the GES so edema a placement in here. What's it? Placement is determined by raw scores. And this also placement no so na bun say yama raw score bu onya 400 and something bu onya 300 and something. No one the GES so edema a abofra placement and 2 available vacancies. So ban ebia said na abofra no completely so onya 14 but when you preferred school no vacancies ebi offer general arts and ebi offer science na science no ebi offer opokuware omo admit omu nyina from aggregate 6 no eba saa bepem saa 14 nduru wo no na science department why ma ntimi mfa no the second school ebi offer OC22 eno so omefa general arts for na science for from single na mepem 14 no na vacancy ni hobium na just why ma it ebeto so saa obun say embra mepem ne 7 school na just ayema na fe GES no omohwema so man placement a just say enka de otusu ye no ene number 2 GES say vacancies so de eka ho na fe competition level no so no ebia oma no oba no grade o yi no omo no mo compete for that department no omo raw score was ro afi omo grade ye better sen no nti de be ya say school wonya eno de to aso say GES say there be was say oba no oye very assured the raw score vacancies was school no fire and afi so competition level the grade nya wontimi ni obi a the grade ye enko compete with the same school with the same course enya possible nti na bo so obi eye bi 27 36 but obenya ebia ne 4th choice and the 5th choice na wa wi ebia 14 and 11 wakunya ebia 7th choice de bano no GES say raw score competition and afi vacancy level ni na so keka ho and GES sand brim so omo a omo san ba omo office no most of them change of residence candidate also any school ni bi oba so for so na de code ebi o my relocation o ma free ebi Accra ababi e Kumasi nti sa radio so sana na school no choose no we Accra ni nyina no wo chenyi na ne ba no school nya o Accra no wo de ba e Kumasi no so one the GS de ba bon nti obi so oba no placement kra wanya placement no the GS so ba o qualify say e was a place na a system non place you they will make sure to place you and after you change of program or bar or say me general school need your pay but course onya no on pay into o call master sano but I think say no school mo no minimum say na no master san dia one time no udu school mo a yetimi sana ma because I quite remember say I had a electrical engineering but when I went to the school I changed it to computer technology so that one the a department na ko HOD e bia unya science science department na ko science HOD almost sano at the ABA department apostle corner they will change it for you and I think say in the school almost sano into these are the things parent and then guardian omoma placement no omoko GES and then not office so omoko yes no these are the major problems omo de call here na GES officials so edin sem to just dey bi bu oba na sem no kanu omo ntimi nya ba 20 bin kan jeni ba no so nko wonya ma no just say obe kan ma na to na so na ntiru ma de nti obu a obo fro so wu mako ya give me information na so me buy in portal no so no reflect here sanet here e bia information ade call here no envary wo tenya fi category C to category B likely say one sign can high category C to category A and the medical status is possible but category B to category B a relocation be they can look into your story na be o yes a free but I've seen most of the people commenting under some videos say DM me for change your school who could be 3,000 Ghana cedis. Parents are going through and you should be careful. It is free at GS and NAT office. I can to this and I go by the name Sticky Super. So don't forget to follow this page and then make sure to become part of this amazing family. So be updated and finally out.